Life at McDonald's like a movie.
Because it's full of drama, action,
Comedy.
and suspense.
What, you don't agree with us?
Watch this.
Belle, could you drop 6 portions of McChicken, please?
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, how many again?
6.
Thank you, Casey.
Thank you, coming. I'll call you later.
Why do you look so sleepy?
Smell something fishy. I think she's hiding something. What could it be?
I have noticed that you have, you're not feeling well this time. Right? When I saw you, you were working in the FPCN. Seems like you're not in the mood.
I don't think I have any problem, sir, because I feel I'm okay. There's nothing wrong with me. Of course, is there anything wrong with me? You can see that as
You have a problem?
Did you say so, sir? I don't have any problem. Is that what you have observed from me? I have a problem? No, I don't have any.
Admit it, Belle,
Are you pregnant?
What? Do I look pregnant, sir? When I came in this room already like this, I'm fat. It's not pregnant, I'm fat, sir.
I read the
These
memo
girls,
that Tina will be
too much
transferred
recaps.
to
All of them.
I think Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi?
Yeah.
Better in Ras Al Khaimah? It's too far, ma. And what's the reason why you're just going to transfer that to Seoul?
I don't know. I think she has a problem because.
Tina's coming.
Hi girls, how are you?
Girls, I'm happy because my off is fantastic.
Right. Is there any changes?
Nothing, but because I talked to my boyfriend yesterday and he's telling me that he loves me.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah,
Only now I know you're having a boyfriend.
because it's secret.
Secret?
That's what you are.
Who was secret? Like
Yeah.
what, ma?
Teen,
Yes.
this is not just confirmed, but I think you will transfer. Yeah, store.
No, I don't believe that.
No,
Don't worry.
I transfer, but I think in Ras Al Khaimah.
What? In Ras Al Khaimah?
Yeah.
Why me?
Hello, thank you for calling McDonald's. May I help you? Yes? Overseas. Lorraine! Lorraine! Hold please, overseas.
Really? Hello?
Hi!
What?
What happened?
Mark! Mark!
Mark?
Yes, sir. Lagi lang, sir. Yes, Mark.
Well, can I talk to you, sir?
Sure, come in.
Can I have a secret form about the pain? I can't work, sir. I need to go to the clinic.
Can you work today?
No, sir. It's
Why? What happened? What happened?
I don't know. It's my back is paining since morning.
So what time you will go?
if I can go now,
Who's
the
this?
bus is here. They can drop me to Taguig. Is it okay, sir? 'Cause really, I can't
Your
afford-
opener today?
Go to Safarini.
Okay, so okay, I'll give you a sick leave form. We'll check with your manager then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and get a sick leave form. Okay, then you can go in the okay. Take care.
Hello, babe.
Who's babe?
I'm already off. I miss you. See you. Mwah, mwah.
But the real actors and actresses of this movie is no other than these people.
And we salute them for doing a great job. So,
Good luck, Bob nominees.